Hi! Today I'll show you how to replace the wiper blades on a Suzuki Across. Let's start with the front wipers. The Suzuki Across doesn't have a dedicated service mode for the wipers because the hood doesn't block the arm from being lifted in any way. This applies to both the left and right wipers. Take a look here. To remove the wipers, we need to unlock this clip. It's best to use a flathead screwdriver. Unfortunately, I don't happen to have a tool with me right now, so I'll just use my finger instead. After carefully lifting up this small plastic clip, you can then slowly lower the wiper arm down to remove it completely. Then you can carefully slide out the entirety of the old blade and replace it with a brand new one. To properly reinstall the wiper blade, carefully insert it onto the metal hook, then slide it in firmly, push it all the way up, and securely lock it into its final position. The procedure is the same for the other wiper. Now let's take a look at the rear wiper. In order to successfully replace the old blade with a new one, you should first carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield, then slowly slide the assembly along the track and gently move it into position until you finally hear a distinct clicking sound. Now you can remove the wiper. It's the same with replacing the blade. When you are ready to put it back on, simply align the piece carefully and then press it firmly onto the mounting clip until it clicks into place. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe and comment.